being able to get to market with a product like this, which will be able to use waste materials, which could then go into something considerably more permanent, and then at the end of its life be used for either generating heat or maybe even turning into something else, would be a great achievement. However, that of course is 4 products out of 35,000 that we sell. So whilst we're really, really proud of our sourcing policies, on chemicals, on timber, and so on and so forth, we don't underestimate the scale of the challenge ahead of us. And I think one of the things that we really want to do is to work with the Foundation and any number of other institutions to try and bring these products to market, to get that stream coming of new innovation, and then for us as a retailer to work out how we can bring these products to market and how we can begin this colossal transition. So we don't have all the answers. But what I think is important is having a vision about what a sustainable future might look like. And that future is something that people can aspire towards and be a part of. And I think, if you look at these sort of products, and if you look at the stuff we've seen from Aveda and Dessos, there's absolutely no doubt that this is a really, really exciting age to be part of. We're at the start of a long journey with the promise of a green and sustainable city at the end. And to get there will require a degree of courage, heart, and new ways of thinking. Now, these are things that B&Q hasn't shied from on the past. Actively deciding to recruit older workers was a really groundbreaking initiative. Deciding to put in place sustainable timber sourcing was difficult and a painful decision, but we made those decisions, and we can make a decision to go down this route as well. So that's why it's such a pleasure to be one of the Foundation's founding partners. And one of the things we most like about the Foundation's approach is the link between education, government and business, and making a framework for the sort of skills that will be required. And we're absolutely delighted to say that we are about to launch an initiative in conjunction with the Foundation to propagate just that. So one of the things that we will be doing with the Ellen MacArthur Foundation is launching a junior board next year. And the proposal with this board is to take a number of younger people aged between 17 and 19 and give them the opportunity to enter into a challenge to present us with their ideas about what we should be doing as a business, and then they will join the junior board and they will have a chance to actually meet with B&Q senior leadership team a number of times a year to tell us what they're expecting and to bring a new perspective from their generation and bring into it a whole new stream of innovative thought and new blood. So I think that is a tremendously exciting project that we're all going to get involved in, and I think it'll be a fitting start to what I hope will be a very long-term relationship with the Foundation. So, to conclude, technical difficulties notwithstanding, we have always been a retailer with sustainability at our heart, and we like to think that we've done a very, very good job within the current paradigm and the current way of thinking. From what we've seen in Cradle to Cradle and Closed Loop, we're now seeing a very, very different way of thinking, but one which is really exciting and which we do think is really vital to get behind to ensure our long-term prosperity and survival. So we are, I guess, a business with an aspiration to introduce Closed Loop and to get to Cradle. Our scale will make it a huge challenge, but we're absolutely up for that challenge. And I hope what I've been able to share with you today is 3 thoughts, really. First of all, the journey won't be easy, but having a vision that people aspire to and find engaging and want to be part of should make getting there an awful lot easier. The closed loop framework that we're offering should offer massive opportunities to businesses who want to be engaged. And as I said, there are a large number of businesses now who are producing really innovative products, and we're very, very keen to get out and support there. And the third thing is that we won't be able to get there on our own. We've already seen that we're going to need collaboration with our suppliers, with our staff, our future generations, and with government. But we've already seen here today that it is possible, and what we need is more of it. And I'm delighted to say that B&Q will be working with the Foundation to help and further encourage this. Thank you very much.